Why do games launch with huge day one patches? Imagine eagerly anticipating the releases of a highly anticipated video game, only to find that it requires a substantial update right from the start. This phenomenon has become increasingly common in the gaming industry, and there are several reasons behind the necessity of these large day one patches. One primary factor is the complexity of modern video games. Today's games are often vast and intricate, featuring expansive worlds, detailed graphics, and complex mechanics. Developers work tirelessly to create these experiences, but the sheer volume of content can lead to unforeseen issues. As the release's date approaches, developers may discover bugs or performance issues that need addressing. A day one patch allows them to fix these problems before players dive in. Another reason for these patches is the evolving nature of technology. Video game development often occurs over several years, during which hardware and software technologies can change significantly. New updates to gaming consoles or personal computers may introduce features or optimizations that were not available during the initial development phase. A day one patch can incorporate these advancements, ensuring that the game runs smoothly on the latest systems. Additionally, the pressure to meet releases deadlines plays a crucial role. Publishers often set strict timelines for game launches, which can lead to a situation where developers must prioritize getting the game to market over perfecting every detail. This urgency can result in certain aspects of the game being left unfinished or requiring further refinement. A day one patch serves as a way to address these last-minute adjustments, allowing developers to deliver a polished experience to players. Moreover, online connectivity has transformed how games are developed and maintained. With the ability to push updates directly to players, developers can continuously improve their games post-launch. This flexibility means that rather than delaying a game to fix every issue before releases, developers can launch the game and then provide immediate fixes and enhancements through patches. In summary, the combination of complex game design, rapid technological advancements, strict deadlines, and the ability to update games after launch all contribute to the prevalence of large day one patches. These updates are essential for ensuring that players receive the best possible experience right from the moment they start playing.